Our yard is professionally landscaped. We did carve out this little shortcut path to the play area, and check out these adorable little mushroom lights. My girls, especially when they were little, loved pretending fairies and playthings, and it is a solar powered. It just sits here. You can put it on a stake or not. I wanted it more concealed. Charges all day long, and then it lights up these little cute adorable mushroom lights leading all the way down to our play set. During the day, I think they're fun. It's that little bit of mystery, such a great inspiration for imaginative play. And I love that at nighttime, they're gonna light the path and just provide that little bit of magic as well. I think they're absolutely adorable. They are a plastic. They're about, I'd say 2 to 3 inches, and they are on a stake. So you literally just stake them into the ground. They stay nice and sturdy, as you can see. And then I was able to very easily hide the cords with the leaves and the mulch or whatever you like, so that it's just not very obvious that they're all connected. But in person, they're so cute and adorable. I think I'm gonna move our other landscape lighting and let this be the star of the show. If you're on the fence with these, they are super cute, and I hope that helps. If it does, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.